Hi, in this video we will learn how we can create this kind of countdown timer in Shopify. So for that you will need to follow our blog. We will add link of this blog here inside video description. You can get it from here, and you don't need any sort of app or anything. So it's a just free code. You can just follow our instruction by follow this blog. So let's dive into it. So here is our Shopify dashboard, and you need to click the online store, and in that online store option you will find another option of themes. Click the themes and you will see the themes library. Now click the three dots and just click the edit code, and now you will see all the files of code, and you need to follow this block. I will also add this link inside video description. You can get it from there, and you need to follow all the instructions. So here you can see you need to first of all create a snippet file. So how you can create a snippet file? Let's close all the drop downs and now open this snippet drop down, and there you will find a button of add a new snippet. Paste the exact same name and then done. And now you need to copy whole code and just paste it in that file, and now hit the save button. So we are currently we are going to add this timer here inside the card. So here's the card page. Let me refresh it, and now you can see here we don't have any sort of a timer and anything. Now you can see we have created our snippet successfully. Now this time, in order to show this whole snippet code, I mean in order to show the timer here on the card page, you need to now copy this code and paste it inside anywhere in the card footer. So in this case we are going to paste this code here inside this file, and just hit the save button, and there you will see. Now you can see here's the timer, and in order to change the background and rest of the things, so you can go back inside this file, and there you can find this background color. You can update it from here. Let's say in this case we are going to update it to red color. So this is all about how you can add a countdown timer on card page. Thanks.